Okay. It's our barbecue time again. Kasi, pinakamadaling lutuin pag hindi ka tunay na chef is barbecue. Because you don't need to memorize. You don't need to memorize what to do. And that is my only boy, my lover boy. I love you.
But now,
Yes.
the thing,
Barbecue is real life. Yes, anak ko. Yung video that anak ko. We have... Uy, uy, awi, awi! Barbecue. Ito ang pusit namin. Yan. Yan. Damihan ko ng talong para iturtang talong at isalad. Yan lang, konti lang. Ano more win? Una. Ay, madaling maluto. Sa pangarap ay nababalatan kasi ang talong. Kaya maganda yung ganyan. Talong nababalatan. Hindi ka mag-worry sa talong. Nababalatan. And if you want for safety,
look at Mama's barbecue.
yeah, video me the whole body. Far, far. You go far.
Look at Mama.
I love you.
Love you. Bye, guys. This is the end of this video of Mama's cooking era, as she says it, even though it's episode.
That is the secret of not having a dirty barbecue. Yan. You have to do like that. Hopefully it works. Because I don't want the dirty barbecue. Hopefully it works. Pangarap.
Hello?
Who are you calling, Sunshine Daddy? Wala pa dyan si Daddy.